How are you, sir? How
Why
you
me?
doing?
Why me?
Why you? Why not you? Where you from? Where you from originally?
Philippines.
Me too.
No, you're not.
But seriously, here we are. We're in the driver's room. These are all the drivers. All the Abishar drivers. These are my friends, the Fat Bastard Comedy. They're playing at. They're gonna be at the Italian American Club on September 21st at 7 p.m. Italian American Club. Hopefully I got a couple minutes. If not, it's cool. They're my friends. They're the Fat Bastard Comedy. Hi, buddy. How are you? These are my friends. These are my friends. That's Toma Benevisti, and this is Mike Stiggs.
Okay.
And you know me for a while, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? And I do comedy. Some guys know, some guys don't know. And what do you think of my friends over here?
They're very nice. They're cool.
They're cool? Oh, thank you, thank you. They're characters, you know? Toma won the World Series of Poker in 2003, fourth place. I'm proud of him. And Mike Stiggs is a great writer. And the guy, I mean, if he stayed with me all day, he would write me a million jokes. Because whatever comes out of my mouth, he's always got something for. And me, it takes me a long time to think of jokes. What do you think of that? That's quite a talent he has, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is your trip sheet, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is the driver's room. This is Juggling Taxi World Variety Show and News. And these are my buddies, Toma and Mike Stiggs. Toma Benevisti and Mike Stiggs. After all this time, I finally can say their name right. These are my buddies. Thank you, guys. Here's my buddies. They're doing a Japanese thing, too. Alrighty.